Pete Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2022 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. Let Frank give you a good profile shot of the boat here. This is a two-tone hull, horizon with black bottom. You can get a good look at the trailer there as well. The trailer is standard on the 21 SPX. Walking up, you will see the gray sea deck on the swim platform. And this boat is powered with a Mercury 200 outboard. We have our ski tow bar right here, awesome for water sports. This is the stone color interior. Get a shot back there of the lounger facing the outboard. L-shaped seating, again, in the stone with infinity woven flooring. On our port side, we have a 3-position lounger. So right now we can have 2 people sitting like this. Pick it up, you can lounge this way, or if you want it all the way down, you now have a nice little bench seat there. Room for more people. Our black sports tower, right, with bimini canvas, so again you can give yourself some coverage from the sun. At the helm here, captain's chair with thigh-high bolster. This is our Fusion stereo remote. Crank it in on there. Our gauges, our 5-inch Simrad display here. And seating up in the front. Nicely appointed grab handles. You see our nav lights. Storage underneath both seats. And then again, access here will be for our anchor locker. Just go right in there. All right, so again, guys, 2022 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. This boat is available right now in Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions, you want to see any more of our inventory, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.